Good morning, guys. So, she just opened this first box.
I just opened it and I saw this and I got way too excited. I just wanted to like open presents that you guys sent me. Look, it's dog meat from Fallout.
Hey.
And I got a Dalek from Doctor Who. Admiral Akbar. It's a trap. That's so cool.
That's really neat.
And a Starbucks gift card. And this is so cute. Look, it's just
look his little arm. It doesn't even have legs.
And Kung Fu Panda. What's in here?
I don't know. I think it was a shot glass.
It is. Ooh, there's stuff in it.
What is it?
Whoa, it's a dragon ring. That's so cool. That's awesome. I wonder if it fits. Almost. I have little fingers. Almost. There we go. And then, are y'all lighting a Cheeto on fire?
What the fuck are you guys doing? Why?
On the videos, they would catch fire. I'm seeing if they can actually catch fire.
It's a Game of Thrones cup. Or a
Hold on.
shot glass. This is amazing.
I like it.
I love how you guys know me so well. What?
What is it?
Hand of the King wax seal kit.
Oh my god, that's awesome!
Bless you.
Hey.
This is so cool. I actually looked into like getting a wax seal things. They looked awesome. But this is amazing.
So cool.
2 Chick-fil-A gift cards.
What? What? Come to the park side.
Yes!
That's awesome.
That's hilarious.
Shut up, Trindell.
Hey.
It's like the box with the cat where they like, you put a coin in it.
And it turns off.
Yeah. Oh, but it's a panda.
Oh my god.
So cute. Thank you. I don't feel worthy for this. This is amazing. This is the one from Lee. Because it's super heavy. I'm kind of excited, kind of nervous to see what's inside. Oh no, keep your gift a surprise. Unwrap, okay, gotta unwrap the present first. It says, okay, gotta read the tag. Hi Kate, enjoy your gift from Lee. Don't open until your birthday. Well, Lee, it's after, I can't
Oh
get
my
this
god, okay.
Pull the box.
I got you.
Pull the box.
I got you.
Okay. I feel like these are bricks. You just sent me a bunch of bricks. You know, funny story.
This is
My grandparents have done that for my my dad and his brothers. But inside the bricks were money. So it was like a
Wait, really?
yeah. It's another box.
You know, I grabbed the bag. I'm really interested in
I don't know what could possibly weigh this much. What is this?
It's
How-
methamphetamine.
What is this?
It's marijuana!
It's kilos of crack.
Kilo is. What
it's
is it?
chainmail.
What? What?
For why?
Because I said before, like,
Let's test it. Where's the sword?
how cool it would be to have chainmail. Like chainmail armor. And that's
He
how
got you chainmail?
That's how you would survive a zombie apocalypse because they can't bite through the chainmail. How do I open this?
Let Thor go at it for a while.
Oh, here we go. Is this saran wrap? Guys, if there's a zombie apocalypse, I can totally save us.
Yeah, what about me?
You stay inside and I'll go out.
Yeah, I'll be a little bitch staying inside. Yo, and that's for your head. It's gonna get caught in your hair.
YOLO.
It's gonna get so caught in her hair and she's gonna not, like, okay.
This is so cool. Bring it on.
This is pretty fucking cool.
This is so cool.
You ready to put your shirt on?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god! Dude, your hair is fucked.
My hair's fine. This is so cool. I have chainmail.
Switch me so the light can.
This isn't actually that bad.
Oh, and what's that?
My master sword.
Who got that for you?
Skylar. Wah. This is actually heavier than the chainmail. This is so.
Oh my god. We are the Knights of Knee.
We are the knights who say need. We need a shrubbery. We are the knights who formerly said knee. But now we say icky, 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 icky,
Ba-dang, whoop, boy.
Where's Anthony?
Isn't he showering?
So cool. I could totally survive in a zombie apocalypse. I mean, I'd have to like hide this stuff. Chocolate!
Oh, chocolate.
Chocolate!
Buying socks from Lint.
Crinkle sack cat toy. You know, something's telling me that this is not for me. Thor! Pete got you something.
Thor. Whoa!
Whoa! It's a Star Wars Lay Rego.
Lay Rego.
And I have a General Leia and Samuel Tarly. Bath and Body Works. My perfume.
No way!
How'd you know? Gift card. Happy birthday. Tea.
Tea!
I wonder if these are good. Black tea, brightened by strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. This one is green tea illuminated by the perfect touches of ginger, jasmine, and rose petals. Sounds so fancy. What's this? Meaty tender sticks, tuna flavor. Aww.
Are those for Thor?
Yeah, Thor only likes tuna. Necky tea.
What? What?
This is my school.
He's so cute.
Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna send Thor to you, Pete. Just Mark
Hamilton?
From, Mark from Utah. Oh.
Whoa. What?
And it's lunch. And new earphones.
Really?
Whoa.
Unless what?
Salt scrub. Body butter. Ooh.
Do you want me to feed
I
Thor?
can be fancy. Yes, please. And lush. Oh, it smells so good.
Oh my god, it's for Thor!
It's from Build-A-Bear, but we could try to put it on
Let's
Thor.
put it on
and see
Thor.
what happens.
Got you chiropractic money
Yeah.
for your scoliosis.
It's very thoughtful.
That's really thoughtful. You have some awesome people in your life.
No. This is so nice. Thank you, Mark. I was on You Now, and someone named Joe was like, "Okay, I sent you something to your P.O. box. You should go get it." And I was like, "Okay." He's like, "Yeah, it's a computer chair." And I thought he was kidding, and he was not kidding. The lady at the post office was very confused. And I haven't looked it up. I wanted it to be a surprise. Yeah, we're just gonna open it.
It should be.
Cardboard.
There it is. That's your new chair.
My new computer chair.
Use those muscles.
Whoa. I see the green.
You do? Open it up. Yeah.
What?
Yeah. Whoa! Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
like a fancy gaming chair.
Yeah.
It's gonna feel so nice.
It'll help your back.
Thank you, Joe. It's so, like, official.
Yeah, it is.
Like a race car. I don't feel like I deserve this. I finished building it.
It looks so nice.
No.
Oh, it's blurry. Hold on. Now.
I was expecting, like, a Target chair, but this is, like, a nice gaming chair.
It's so nice. I need it.
It's mine.
I need it. I'm gonna steal it from you. I'll purposefully stick Thor on your chair, and you're gonna get pissed.
What am I supposed to do with my old chair? Do we just have, like, a memorial service for it and throw it out?
Burn it.
Yeah.
Can we burn it?
No.
Burn it?
Burn it.
Didn't you just try to light a Cheeto on fire?
No, we didn't try. We did.
I had this computer chair here from Walmart for 4 years. Lived a good long life, and now we got a this bad boy.
And it matches Link.
Joe thought this through.
Ready to open your last gift?
Yes.
Okay, open it.
What? How? How did? How?
Yep.
I thought dragon.
Yep. He ordered it.
What?
Isn't that the one we took a picture with?
Yeah. I don't understand, but how? How? It's so cute. It's so Bulbasaur.
That's Lee's last gift.
It's so cute. I'm dying.